Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another video and we are working with UNice Hair. UNice Hair, big shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So today we have a Bye Bye Knots 7x5 Bodywave Invisible Knot Lace Wig. This is the honey blonde highlight. Everything, baby. This can be worn glueless. She's 24 inches and 180 density. And this is a pre-cut lace. So as you can see, all I did was put it on and we are tapping in that ORS wig grip. You can purchase this wig from 16 inches all the way up to 26 inches. And I have to say, these wigs that UNice have, these pre-everything, it really is that. As you can see, I put this on and the curls are already there. The lace is already cut. The knots are already bleached. There's literally no work that you have to do to this wig. And there's enough reinforcements inside the wig that you can truly wear this glueless. So what I'm going to do for this one is I wanted to do a side part and I wanted to cut some layers in here. So right here, I am just pulling out some edges. Because this is a 7x5, I like to have some baby hair edges down on the side. That's just what I feel comfortable doing. So once I do that, I am going to part my hair off to the side because I wanted to do a side part. This is a 7x5, but this is a large lace space. You can achieve a middle part or a side part on either side. So I'm going to show you and take full advantage of that. So here I'm just using a wide tooth comb and I'm combing out the curls that they put into this wig. If you are not comfortable curling your hair, you can definitely just rock out with the curls that they put in there. But y'all know I like to curl my hair. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm using the hot comb just to define my part. And once I do that, I will start with the nape area. And I'm going to use my T3 curling iron to start curling this hair. So I put the melt band on that was provided in my package and I'm going to start to section off the hair so I can begin curling the hair. I did want some layers in here because I wanted this to be very full. I wanted to show off all this body. So you'll see me cut layers throughout the entire install. If I'm not satisfied with how full it looks, you'll see me go back in and cut more layers. Don't be afraid to cut layers into your hair, but my suggestion is to start off longer. Do not cut too short because you can't get the hair back once you cut it off. But you can always go in and tweak it. So start off with long layers. So here I'm just curling everything away from the face and I will be using my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray to spray the hair once the curls cool down. So as you can see, these curls are coming along and this is a lot of hair to be 180 density. This definitely is a full wig, but while it's full, it's not heavy either. So now I'm moving on to the other side and I'm just combing that out and I will be cutting layers into that side as well and just continuing to curl everything away from the face. So now that I'm finished with that, I'm just going to pin the hair up while I make some, you know, small adjustments. I'm going to style my baby hairs. I really only style that one side because you can't see the other side. And right here, I'm just going to cut some more layers into the left side because I feel like it could be a lot fuller, or at least look fuller as far as the layers. So I'm going to comb these curls out on the right side, and I will go in and cut that just a little shorter. But this is basically the finished look as I add some more layers. But I love the way this came out. This hair is really soft. I virtually had no shedding, and this did hold a really good curl, especially with the hairspray. So I'm going to have all the links down in the description box. Don't forget, you can purchase this wig right off Amazon from the UNice Amazon store. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring today's video, and I will add this to my Amazon UNice playlist. So check that out to see all the different looks that I have tried from them. And I want to thank you beauties for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.